If you're insured by Manulife, the company's new deal with Loblaw means you might have to switch pharmacies if you need coverage for specialty medications. Some drug policy experts and pharmacists say this model could negatively impact customers.
They may go to their pharmacy that they regularly go to and find out that they have to switch pharmacies or go somewhere else. It could be especially concerning for patients that live in rural areas. What if your closest pharmacy is not one of the pharmacies that allows you to get this?
So which specialty drugs will be affected by this agreement? At this point, we don't know exactly which ones. We've asked Manulife for that list, but they didn't release it to us. In response, they told us that the change does not impact the vast majority of our members who have not been prescribed specialty drugs. What we do know is there are around 260 medications listed under the insurance company's specialty drug care program. These treat a variety of serious or life-threatening conditions. Here are a few of them. Pause to read the full list. Manulife says those kinds of drugs make up less than 1% of its prescription claims, but they make up almost a third of total drug spending in Canada because those medications are some of the most expensive on the market.
We're slowly moving towards the American model where it's all going to be just high volume pill factories.
This kind of deal between Manulife and Loblaw is known as a preferred pharmacy network arrangement, which is popular in the US. That model is gaining traction across Canada, except in Quebec where it's banned entirely. Some health policy experts say these deals make sense for companies because it's profitable. They allow insurance companies to keep costs low, and at the same time, they give rebates to the pharmacies. A pharmaceutical policy expert at Carleton University called these kinds of deals shady, while an economist we spoke to said these kinds of deals are becoming more common in Canada because they can be cost-effective.
Manulife has identified that they're basically able to get a better deal by just going to a single provider. When they get that better deal, the idea is they should be passing on the savings to their insured customers.
A Manulife spokesperson says the agreement with Loblaw will provide more options for group benefits members and that customers can have the drugs delivered to their homes. But some independent pharmacists are concerned that the deal will be a blow to their business in a country that already has a problem with lack of competition across sectors.
If they're left out of being able to sign these larger deals, how does this affect their business model? And how does it make it viable for them to remain open?